The All Parties Hurriyat conference has said that the Modi-led Indian government is killing innocent Kashmiri youth as state policy in fake encounters in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said the troops pick the youth from their homes, take them to areas in the Kashmir Valley and along the line of control and shoot them to death after dubbing them as militants. He said 2 youths were martyred yesterday in a similar fashion in Keran area of Kupwara district. He also cited Pathribal fake encounter of 2000, Machil fake encounter of 2010, Shupian fake encounter of 2020, Lavaipura fake encounter of 2020 and Haidarpura fake encounter of 2021 as some glaring examples of the extrajudicial killings in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The authorities continue to enforce strict restrictions in the name of security of the Hindu pilgrimage Amarnath Yatra in the territory today. A 5-layer arrangement including sharpshooters, drone and CCTV surveillance has been put in place to ensure smooth conduct of the Yatra commencing tomorrow. Also, the troops launched cordon and search operations in Kulgam and Rajouri districts. Meanwhile, People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti and National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah in their statements in Srinagar strongly criticized the Modi government for arresting fact-checking website Alt News co-founder and journalist Mohammad Zubair on fabricated charges. He was arrested by Delhi police on Monday for one of his tweets posted in 2018. Mehbooba Mufti, while linking Zubair's arrest to the situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, said the Modi regime was now enforcing the Kashmir model initiated after abrogation of Article 370 all across India. In response to the arrest of Mohammad Zubair in India, the spokesperson for UN Chief Antonio Guterres during a media briefing in New York said, "Journalists should not be jailed for what they write, tweet and say." He asserted that people be allowed to express themselves freely without the threat of any harassment. Human Rights Watch also asked India to immediately release rights activist Testa Sitalwad, who according to the global rights watchdog is being victimized by the Modi government for pursuing accountability for perpetrators of 2002 Muslim genocide in Gujarat. Anti-Muslim riots were carried out under the supervision of the then Chief Minister Narendra Modi. On the other hand, a Dalit couple was tortured to death by a gang of Hindu extremists in Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh state of India. In another incident, a 35-year-old Dalit man Gautam was beaten to death by policemen in the same Indian state.